People are always saying that this interior looks dated. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. A couple of must-do modifications for the car is this and that. A lot of people have installed the Alcantara steering wheel. Hello there. Can I make this video for a second? Thank you. Thank you. Please do not get in the car. Thank you very much. Thank you. Or they've replaced the trim here with, you know, with carbon fiber trim and all that. I've gone a different way. I've kept my heated steering wheel. You can't get the Alcantara as heated. That's because probably the Alcantara doesn't feel as cold in the winter, but at the same time it won't feel warm. I like the fact that the steering wheel gets warm because my hands are cold. And the other thing is the Alcantara will deteriorate a lot faster than the leather. The leather is much more forgiving in case you're, you know, touching it with dirty hands. The only thing that was really wrong with the steering wheel was that this trim here was completely ugly. And I mean, it was just too big. It was just a big, thick slab of plastic. And putting a carbon fiber version of it isn't exactly going to make it better looking. Hello there, we have another visitor. Hello there. So I went the other way. I replaced it with the M2 version. This is your entry-level M car. Once you've done a few things to it, that is. And in my humble opinion, you gotta have the M steering wheel. So obviously I don't have the stitching, the blue and red stitching, but because it's not a proper M car, but I do now have this, and it's the proper one. You can see right through. So that means I've replaced both the plastic in the back, the aft trim, and the forward trim. I don't know if you can spot the mistake, but there are no holes for the gear shifting pedals. That's right, I made that mistake. Don't make the same mistake I made. This is for a manual car. And this is what they removed. The single piece here, same as here, but with the holes for... There you go. I'm filling up my house with spare parts as we're going. There are these tiny little things that BMW themselves could have done to just give the car that prestige status, you know, in the BMW range. But I guess if they won't do it, we have to do it. These are BMW parts and they fit 100%. Now I can see my pedals from the gap, so perhaps that's why they don't fit them, because it'll just be too distracting. The sport pedals, they're M Performance sport pedals. They are official BMW accessories. They just make the car look more premium. Footrest is a separate accessory, by the way. They definitely make the car look more premium. They're not that expensive, and again, for the M140i, they should have been standard fit. Thanks guys, that was just to say a couple of words about the interior and about my interior mods. The main interior mod I would like to make to the car is which I can't do, or perhaps possibly could do, is the seatbelts. They don't have that red blue stitching that distinguishes it as a M car. Might be a lot of hassle, too much hassle for what you get from it, but still, I wish I had it.